What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to talk about AIOZ Network, AIS Network, and the question of the day is, will and can AIS Network hit the $5 mark? But first, let's do a little bit of housekeeping. Bitcoin is doing its thing. It's still just below $52,000. You're probably at 51,500, which is awesome. Bitcoin hit the $52,000 mark a few days ago, and it have been standing strong, trading sideways, which is beautiful. We haven't seen any major dips, any major corrections. We know there's a possibility that corrections may have occurred, but just the simple fact that Bitcoin have been standing strong is great. Great news. It's showing that cryptocurrency is poised and set for the next launch, for the next leg up, for the next takeoff. We know we still about 60 days, about 2 months to the Bitcoin halving, so the countdown will continue. But let's get straight into the facts. AIS Network is a coin, a token that we got in several months ago. We got real lucky with this coin. I'm not going to say that we were good or we were doing anything special. We just got lucky. And part of being successful in the cryptocurrency market is being lucky sometimes. We got in this coin when it was 1 cent. And as you can see today, AIS Network is back at the 18-cent mark. We got in this coin when it was a 1 cent, ran it all up to 19 cents previously, took profits, it dipped back down. We bought back in at about 13, 14 cents. So, and as you can see right now, AIS Network is making this next pump, making this next leg up to continue its run up, its pump from a few months ago. It's been trading sideways previously, 11 cent, 12 cent, 13 cent. And as you can see, Bitcoin been pumping. A lot of the other altcoins have been pumping. And lo and behold, AIS Network said that it wants to continue its pump. And like I said, you kind of want to go off the characteristics of these coins. You see AIS Network had showed great characteristics months ago when it went from 1 cent and pretty much did a 20x in just a matter of maybe three weeks, going to about 19, 20 cents. Now, when I saw that, I said, this is a coin that we will lock in for the long term. This coin is showing parabolic characteristics already, even before alt season. So that right there was a clear indicator that AIS Network will be a coin that you will want to lock in and ride with throughout this 2024-2025 cryptocurrency bull market. Now, AIS Network is a Web3 streaming platform that'll be used on various blockchains. This thing, AIS Network, is compatible with Ethereum, has great compatibility with Cosmos, and we know Cosmos have a great ecosystem with various coins that is supported on the Cosmos ecosystem as well as Ethereum. So the fact that AIS Network is compatible with those two tokens is great. Web3 streaming, we know, is the future. No one is even really using cable no more. Nobody really talked about the traditional TV mode that's been dominating the past 40, 50 years. Now it's all about streaming platforms. It's all about Netflix. It's all about Amazon Prime, Peacock. Even last week when it came down to watching the Super Bowl, you had to have a streaming platform to access that particular event. So we know streaming is the new wave, just like digital currency is the new wave. Fiat currency is going to be a thing of the past. Traditional TV is going to be the thing of the past. So we are heading in a new revolution phase, heading with digital currency as well as streaming. So AIS Network will be taking platform and stepping forward in both of those different realms, digital currency as well as streaming for various blockchains. So this is a coin that you definitely want to put on your radar. The market cap for this coin is real low right now. I think it's $194 million. The all-time high for this coin is $2.60. Now, if you get back to the all-time high, you're talking about a 14x from where it is right now today at 18 cents. And as you know, Bitcoin, it will get back to its all-time high. Bitcoin all-time high was $69,000. Now we are just below $52,000. We're expecting to hit $69,000, $70,000 probably a few months after the halving. But the way things are going, the way things are running right now, we may hit $69,000 just before the halving. So, we are in a great position right now. Things seems to be advancing a little bit faster than what we thought and expected cryptocurrency to run. Is it because of the new spot Bitcoin ETFs and the large institutions that came in January 10th and have been buying up Bitcoin nonstop on a daily basis? Is it because of the supply shock where a lot of the Bitcoins are being bought and taken off of the various cryptocurrency exchanges? The supply of Bitcoin is becoming scarce. The demand of Bitcoin is starting to increase. This cryptocurrency space that we are in as of now is like none other. We've never had large institutions and these large corporations like Fidelity Blockchain buying up so many Bitcoins. Traditionally, they're just were the cryptocurrency exchanges. You may have a couple of whales here and there that were buying up, but now you have super whales. It's not even whales no more. These are called super whales that are buying up the supply of Bitcoin. They're buying up the supplies of these other altcoins. So now we are seeing things escalate and start to advance faster than we had expected. They're advancing faster than the previous cycles and advancing faster than the charts are saying that they should. So we're going to accept it. We're going to kick back. We're going to ride this wave. And AIS Network is one of the coins that we will ride all the way to the top. I'm expecting this coin to surpass its previous all-time high of $2.60. And that's why we say AIS Network can and will possibly hit the $5 mark. So if you think you got into this coin too late, you are still early. Like I said, even if it hit the previous all-time high of $2.60, you're talking about a 14x. And if it hit the magic number that we're talking about for $5, you are talking about a 27x from here. Now, those are astronomical numbers, astronomical gains. We will lock that in and take that every day of the week. But the most important thing on this journey is patience. I cannot stress that enough. Very important that you be patient with these coins that you believe in, that you have conviction in, because sometimes you'll see them dip and you will want to sell out of that coin and buy into a new coin. But you have to understand this is a game of patience. We know and we are expecting this thing to hit its all-time highs in 2025. So why are you selling right now if you really don't understand how to swing trade? One of the most important things you can do is hold. HODL, HODL. You want to hold on for dear life. You want to have patience. You want to trust your coins and continue to do research, continue to dollar cost average in on your coins, and continue to increase your portfolio so you can have great gains when it is time to take profits, when it is time to sell, when we think we have reached the height of the cryptocurrency 4-year cycle. But like I said, it's your boy Stock Holiday. Continue to rock with your boy. Join us over there in the Patreon where we can hold your hand and give you different strategies, give you buy signals and sell signals, and hold your hand as we journey through these next 2 years in cryptocurrency market. You do not want to be a loner out there trying to trade, trying to buy these cryptocurrencies and not know what's going on. You do not want to get wrecked in this cycle and have to wait till 2028. You don't want to have to wait to the next 4 years. You want to get in right now while it's 2024 and let us hold your hand as we navigate and dare to dominate this upcoming cryptocurrency market. Get in my descriptions below. Click that link to the Patreon. Join us over there. And like I always say, then get out there and do it to your service and don't get nervous. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.